Hello guys, welcome back to stackingsup. So today we're gonna learn about business logic vulnerability. So exactly what is the business logic vulnerability? So it is kind of a flaw how an application need to handle its workflow or rules, allowing attacker to misuse the system in a way the developer didn't expect. So exactly what is happening here? Attacker is not hacking; he's just manipulating or maybe breaking the security. So this exactly happened that the attacker, the developer has not properly enforces the business rule. So we'll solve one lab from the PortSwigger. The lab is excessive trust in the client control. So exactly what's happening in this lab? In simple terms, I explain the website is trusting what the user browser is saying instead of double checking it to the server from the server side. So in this, what we'll learn that how we can manipulate the pricing, and with the manipulation of the pricing, how we can buy a product for free. Or maybe you can take an example. Here is a leather jacket of $1,337, and the store has given me credit of $100. So if I can buy, so yes, we can buy it with the help of this vulnerability called business logic. So how we can do that, how we can perform it, we'll learn from a simple example. So first, I will just add to the cart this product. Before that, I need to start my verb suite. Okay, my verb suite is on. I just need to clear this history. So, okay, as my history has been cleared, as you can see, I've added to the cart this particular jacket, and this jacket price is $1,337. So now we have to go to the verb suite. So, for example, if I try to buy, I can't buy this because I don't have the enough money. So here where I will manipulate the price. So what exactly happened? Let's see if I'm manipulating the pricing. If the the client can evaluate, validate with the server that, okay, the price is exactly the same that what has been sent from the browser, we can check that. So as you can see, I'll go to the Burp Suite. I can see over here, there's a post request. So I just need to send this request to the repeater. As you can see here, there is a parameters given here: product ID parameter, redirection parameters, quality parameters, and pricing. So here we are majorly interested in the pricing parameter. Just see what will happen if we will manipulate the pricing. I just try to manipulate the pricing, for example, zero. Let's see. Let's see. As you can see, Wallah is 302 found. So it's a good news. Now we can see if server can client like this particular application can validate with the server exact is the same price or not. So we'll just refresh it. This refresh is not happening. Give me a minute. Okay, so as you can see, zero, you can't take zero parameters. So as you can see, we tried to put zero, but it's unable to take the zero parameter. So okay, that's a validation we can say. Now I'll just change the value to one. Now see if we can buy the product or not. So I'll just change the parameter to one, the price parameter to one. Now let's see if we can buy the product or not and what response we'll get. So as you can see, we got 302 response. So we'll just refresh the page and see what will happen. As you can see, what exactly happened, I can buy the product and I'd buy the product of 0.01 cents and the product price was 1,337. So exactly what happened over here? Here, whatever price has been sent from the browser, the server has accepted the prices as 0.01 cent. It didn't verify or double check with the server. So you can say this is one of the dangerous vulnerability because in this user can manipulate the browser and send whatever price they want. So this is one of the logic vulnerabilities. In future, we'll learn more about more kind of business logic vulnerabilities. So just like, share, and subscribe to Stackings Up for more videos.